Okay, this is a lesson about organizing your writing with a compare and contrast structure. All right. Before we begin, you need to read the B article, beastly behavior. It looks like this. You can see right here. All right. So before we begin, make sure you read this article. You can either download it on the website or you can get it from the file bin. But pause the video now, read the whole article, and then we'll get started. Okay, now you've read the beastly behavior article. Let's talk about why you would choose a compare and contrast structure, really. You're going to choose this structure. If you want to organize your writing in a compare and contrast structure, you're going to feel that's the best way to get your readers to understand your information would be to compare it to something that they know, right? So if you go back to this article, this is all about bees. And it's actually about killer bees, which most people don't know a lot about bees, but about killer bees. However, we do know everybody knows bees. That's pretty scary. Matter of fact, like Smartboard has, like, look at all these bees. There's so many different bees I can put on here. That's how much everyone already knows about bees. Bees. That is not a bee. That's steak. Goodbye, steak. Anyway, yeah, everybody knows bees. So the author of the beastly behavior article said, I'm going to compare killer bees to regular bees that people see every day, at least every day in the summer, and I will help them understand more about killer bees by using this comparison. So if you are going to choose compare and contrast, make sure you feel that it'll be the best way to get your reader to understand your topic. Compare it to something that they know. Now let's talk about how to do that. So really what I want to ask is, what are we going to compare about right here? So let's see what the author did. What did they compare? He talks about, this is his introductory paragraph. But you can see right here, they're talking about, just in the second paragraph and the third paragraph, they're comparing. They're saying something about how much they'll chase you. Bees chase you. So they're comparing something. What are they comparing? About, I guess, bees being protective, chasing. They talk about that. What else do they do? Yeah, they keep reading on. The buzz on killer bees. A killer bee sting is no more deadly than a regular bee sting. You can see right here, they're comparing the sting. I wonder if you could read the rest of the paragraph, or at least the rest of this section. See if there's anything else comparing in that section. Yep, I just added this on here. You can see they compare the behavior, how they act, and here are 3 different bullet points. They even the author chose to put these in bullet points to help you understand it a little bit more, right? So this article, now, you'll see the way it's organized, there's different facts in here and a different way that they've talked about the comparison of bees. But what is their major topic? They're really talking all about killer bees. That's what this is about. They're using a compare and contrast structure to help you understand more about it. Okay, now some questions that you have to answer on a separate piece of paper and hand in. Question 1, list all the ways they compared killer bees to regular bees. Question 2, why would someone choose to write the compare and contrast essay? Question 3, tell 2 facts about killer bees that you didn't know before.